Welcome to Tulsa Welding School here in the one and only Dallas, Texas. Today we're going to take you on a behind-the-scenes tour of our training programs and show you exactly what it's like as a student here at our campus. Come on inside, let's go take a look. So your journey here on campus is going to begin right here in our administrative building. This is where our admissions team will be able to help you out with the enrollment into the program of your choosing. On top of that, we have our student financial services team that can help you out with financial aid options. We also have our student services team to help you out with anything that may arise during the entire time that you're in school. And of course, our career services is here to help you out with career options that may be available for you after you graduate. Now let's talk about Oceld, our virtual reality training platform developed with our industry relationships and instructors alike. This system allows our welding students the opportunity to practice their skill sets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now for our refrigeration and electrical students, don't worry, we got you covered with our Interplay learning system for your programs. The Electrical Line Worker program is the shortest program we offer here in Dallas. Consisting of a 15-week training program, this high-intensity training is going to cover everything you need to get into this exciting field. Everything from bucket and drill trucks to, of course, climbing those poles to set up and restore power to communities all across the country. In our 7-month professional welder program, our students are going to get an opportunity to learn a variety of different welding techniques, including MIG, TIG, stick, and flux cord. They'll also be able to work with a variety of different metals, including pipe, so that they're prepared to go out into the industry and get into an amazing career in a variety of different fields. In our 7-month Refrigeration Technologies program, our students are going to have the opportunity to work on refrigeration systems for commercial use, of course HVAC units for residential, and then we'll even move into the HVAC units for commercial use. Students will have the opportunity to work in both residential and commercial careers once they've graduated this program. The Electrical Technologies program here in Dallas is a 7-month program that's going to cover both residential and commercial electrical systems. Whether you want to learn the fundamentals of electricity and wiring for a residential home or a large-scale commercial building, we've got the training for you. In addition, our students have the opportunity to work with renewable energy like this solar system right here. Careers are abundant, and we've got the training to help you get there. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed that amazing behind-the-scenes tour of our campus and these awesome programs here in Dallas. We cannot wait to help you out in the next phase of your career journey. We look forward to seeing everyone on campus very soon. Take care, y'all.